So proceed tayo to our next topic which is tinatawag nating logarithmic function. So derivative of logarithmic function. So therefore, pag algebra, medyo familiar na tayo kay logarithm. Yung may ln, merong log, no, logarithm. So what is its derivative? So before we go on to its derivative, dapat alam po muna natin yung kanyang basic properties. Diba? So this is introduced sa inyong algebra, but we will just i-tackle natin siya ulit para ma-refresh tayo. So logarithm of 1 is 0. If we have a multiplication inside a logarithm, which is logarithm of a multiplied by b, pwede po siyang i-separate, no? Logarithm of a plus logarithm of b. So, pwede din, pag meron tayong positive, no, pwede din i-reverse mo yung process. So, logarithm of a plus logarithm of b is equivalent to logarithm of a times b. So, if we have tawag dyan, power, logarithm of a raised to n, pwede po natin siyang ilagay katabi ni logarithm. Okay, so magiging logarithm ay n logarithm of a. So what if we have logarithm of a minus logarithm of b? So we can combine that one, magiging logarithm of a divided by b. Okay, so baka na maka-encounter tayo, gagamitin natin yan na properties. So that is just properties. So what is its derivative? Okay, so eto po yung kaniyang formula. Okay, so first one is the derivative of a logarithm of u is equivalent to u prime over u. So let us have a quick example. Logarithm of 2x, diba? Y is equivalent to logarithm of 2x. So therefore, yung u natin is si 2x. U prime natin is si 2. So therefore, wala pang prime dito. Ayan. Wala pa siyang prime. So therefore, ang answer natin dito is u prime over u. So u prime natin is 2 over 2x. Final answer. So ganyan lang po kasimple, no? Basta alam mo lang si formula and alam mo lang kung paano mag-derivative. Okay? So how about if logarithm siya? No, logarithm of a of u. No, logarithm of subscript of a, u. So, for example, logarithm of 10, then 2x. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang po natin is u prime over ln a. So, magkatabi na sila. Wala na siya sa baba. Then, multiplied by u. So, therefore, for this one, same pa din. U natin is 2x. U prime natin is 2. Substitute mo lang sa formula. 2 divided by logarithm natin is logarithm, a natin is 10, and then u natin is, yes, ayan siya, 2x. Okay, so yan na yung answer natin. So you can simplify that one, or pwede na yan siya na final answer. Diba? Yan, no? So this is not our final answer. Dapat simplify pa siya. So this is our final answer. Dapat cancel out. Simplify gapon mo kung ma-simplify pa siya. Pero ilagay mo sa front, logarithm of 10 over 2. So, cancel out. No? Magiging 1 over x logarithm of 10. So, ano siya?
Oh, shit. Thank you, sir.
So, pwede lang ka mag-cancel out. So, for example, 10, no? Dili siya pwede i-cancel out kasi mayroong logarithm. So, dili siya pwede. So, kato lang kanilang sa kay x mismo. Okay? So, proceed tayo. Raise hand po. What is our formula? Lagay natin. What is our formula for logarithm? D over du dx. Logarithm of u prime over u. Okay? So, lagay natin u prime over u. Okay? So, therefore, sulat natin what is our u here. Anyone, raise hand. 4x minus 1. Okay? Then raise hand ulit. What is our u prime? 4. Okay? So therefore, substitute na po natin siya sa ating, no? Siguro dali naman, di ba? So u prime natin is 4 divided by 4x minus 5. Di ba? 4x minus 5. Okay? So, that is our final answer. Ayan po. Baka sabihin nyo na, Sir, pwede pa yan mas-simplify. Cancel out, 1 over x minus 5. Pag sure diya, dili na cancel out. No? Okay, so di na ma-cancel out, Di ba, maanad mo. No, meron tayong operation, negative 5. Pwede siya kung 4 over 4x lang, pero naman good siya minus 5. Di ba? So, therefore, factor out pa dapat nimo. Yes. Common mistake. So, yan po. Final answer, screenshot. Then, proceed tayo to our next problem. Ano lang siya? Okay. Di ba? Next one is this. As you can see, no, logarithm to, and then, yes, what is this one? Anong ibig sabihin nito? Dalawang function, x, then may product rule. So, then ulit, diba? So, mahalata man mo, no? Pag sige kag solve, diba? Sige lang, diba? Charo, sige rin tag-solve og calculus, dili na ko mahalata sunod. So, function of x multiplied by the function of g of x is equivalent to the function of x multiplied by the derivative of the function of g of x plus function of g of x multiplied by the derivative of function f of x. So, in this case po, yung ating f of x is equivalent to x. Yung ating g of x is si logarithm of x. Okay? So, therefore, no, eto f of x, di ba? Ang ating derivative lang niya, isulat lang natin na is 1, di ba? Pero ito, yung medyo mahirap, no, g of x natin, derivative is u over u prime. So, therefore, yung u natin is x, u prime natin is 1. Diba? So, therefore, u over u prime, baliktad. U prime over u, so that is 1 over x. Gets ba? No? So, within yung ating solution ng logarithmic function. So, f is x, so f of prime is 1. G prime x is g of x is logarithm of x. Therefore, its derivative is 1 over x. So, meron na tayo ditong product natin, product rule. So, therefore, f prime x is equivalent to, step by step natin, f of x is x. G prime of x is na-solve natin kanina. That is 1 over x. No? Dito baka nalito kayo, ito. Ayan siya. I-arrow natin. Okay, so parang within, kumbaga. Plus, so plus tayo. Then, g of x natin is logarithm of x. Then, f prime x is, eto, 1. Ayan siya. So, dapat, alam mo lang yung process natin. Diba? Nung mga topics natin sa prelim. So, therefore, simplify lang po natin, cancel out, magiging 1. Diba? Plus logarithm of x. Underline, final answer. Okay? So, screenshot po. So, ito po yung final answer natin. So, next one is this. Same pa din siya, pero mas pinahirapan. Diba? So, we will be using logarithmic function and also chain rule because we have two functions. Diba? So, ulitin lang natin lahat ng ginawa natin kanina. Diba? F of x natin class is x. Then, g of x natin is, so, para mas simple class, no? Para mas hanay, hanapin na lang natin first si f prime x. That is 1. Diba? Then, g of x natin dito is logarithm of x squared. Diba? So, therefore, hahanapin natin si g prime x. No? So, therefore, u natin dito is x squared. And then, u prime natin is si 2x. So, therefore, substitute natin g prime x. Diba? So, formula natin is ito. U prime is 2x over x squared. Diba? So, therefore, pwede pa natin siyang ma-simplify, diba? Cancel out sa magiging 2 over x. Okay? So, parang within, sa product rule tayo nag-logarithmic function. Diba? So therefore, if medyo mahirap para sa inyo, just solve this again on your own time. Diba? So ano man ang style anak class, kay kung maminaw lang manggudta, no? So if we are just listening without applying what we have heard, kumbaga, so medyo mahirap siya. So ang ginagawa ko noon, yung student pa ako, yung lahat ng lesson for that day, ginasolve na ko siya baliktanan. Diba? Okay? So therefore, proceed tayo dito. F of x natin, class, is x. Diba? Then, multiplied by g prime of x is 2 over x. Okay? So, 2 over x. Ayan. Nagyan natin open and close parenthesis. Plus. Kasi plus. Then, g of x natin is eto, logarithm of x squared. Then, f prime x is 1. Ayan po. So, step by step lang, no? Dandahanin mo lang. Basta alam mo yung step by step natin. So, therefore, cancel out, 2 na lang yung remaining natin plus logarithm of x squared. Okay, reason po if you have any questions. So, ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Final answer. Okay, so our next example is this one. Ayan po siya. Okay, so as you can see, hindi siya product rule. Yes, merong logarithmic rule. Pero meron din siyang combined na another rule. Cu raised to n is equivalent to C n u n minus 1 then u prime. Okay? So, para siyang logarithmic rule na nasa inside ng product rule. Na chain rule na product rule. Ilagay mo lang si formula. Then, let us determine sino si u. Raise hand po, ano yung u natin dito? Sino yung merong exponent? Yung ating u is yung logarithm of x. Okay? So, lagay natin n is 3. So, therefore, hahanapin natin yung u prime niya. Diba? So, u prime natin dito is ln of u prime tayo sa within talaga. So, that is u prime. U natin dito is x. Then, u prime natin is 1. So, therefore, u prime natin dito ha, kana siya nga u prime. Kani, lahi ni siya nga u prime. That is equivalent to 1 over x. Okay? So, 1 over x. Gagawin po natin dito, next step is to use our formula. So, I think we're ready na. Okay? So, f prime of x natin is equivalent to c natin or constant is 3. And then, n natin is, wala tayong constant, kumbaga. So, lagyan natin dito. C is wala. Diba? Okay? So, 3 yung ating n. C is wala. N. Then, u natin is logarithm of x. Then, n minus 1. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Step by step na lang nato. 3 minus 1. Pagkatapos, check, u prime. U prime natin is 1 over x. Diba? So, therefore, di po siya pwedeng ilagay o ilagay natin lahat sa baba. Same lang din yan. So, ang final answer natin, class, is equivalent to 3 over x. Yan po, multiply ko lang siya sa front. Then, logarithm of x squared. Diba? So, that is our final answer. Mali po. Dapat open and close. Silang lahat yung may squared, no? Kasi open and close tayo dito. Final answer. Sir, what if yung answer ko is 3 logarithm of x squared over x? So, same lang po yan, no? Tama. Diba? Kay divided by x manitanan. Pag ganito. Okay. So, that is just the same. Para atong final answer. Okay, so last one for this topic. Ito po siya. Y is equivalent to logarithm of 10 cosine of x. So, dictate lang po, Raysan, what is our formula for logarithm of AU? Yung kanina. So, therefore, proceed na tayo. Determine natin sino si U. Si A natin is 10. And then, yung U natin is cosine of x. Ayan. Diba? So, therefore, u prime natin, yes, what is the derivative of cosine of x? Negative sine of x. So, y prime natin is equivalent to u prime. U prime natin is negative sine x divided by logarithm of, then u natin is cosine of x. Ayan siya. So, open and close. So, therefore, this is our final answer. Pero take note, pwede pa siya masimplify, di ba? Sine x, alam natin, divided by cosine of x, that is equivalent to tangent x divided by logarithm of 10. Ayan po yung ating final answer.